now it has been a year. Looking back, we have come a long way. I want to take this opportunity to thank every Singaporean for their support, their understanding, and their cooperation. With all their efforts together, we are able to manage the crisis and keep the number of cases, especially the local community cases, low, and allow us to progress into phase 3 of the opening. But like what Lawrence always said, we are not at the end of the tunnel yet. The war is not yet over. We need to continue to remain vigilant. And we have gone through this process. We have learned a lot, but we still don't know everything about the virus. So we are still discovering new things as we go along. And therefore, we mustn't take things for granted. So we need to continue to remain vigilant. And now that we have been able to ramp up our medical facility, our testing capability, and strengthen our contact tracing ability, and now we are beginning to roll out our vaccination plans. Still, the road is still a very long one, and we still need to bring everyone on board, make sure that we look after one another, take care of one another. What is also very important is for me to thank all our healthcare workers who have worked very hard over this 1 year. They're still continuing to work very hard. We also want to acknowledge many Singaporeans who have stepped forward, both individual volunteers as well as private sector companies, institutions, and the NGOs who have stood forward and participated in our efforts in tackling COVID-19. This crisis probably reflects that our society as a very resilient people, able to manage and deal with crises as they emerge. And when the challenges come our way, we are able to come together. So we do look forward to continuing working with our fellow Singaporeans over the next few months as we roll out our vaccination, as we continue to ramp up our testing scope and capacity, and as we reopen our economy and our society. But at the same time, we have to bear in mind that we are not alone in this world. We still see a lot of new cases emerging, and regularly we see new records being set. So this is continue to worry us, and therefore we hope that we can work together globally, look at how we can collaborate internationally to ensure that the whole world can emerge from this crisis together.